Here's how to create pop-up forms in HubSpot. Step by step. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation bar, open Marketing, and select CTAs. This takes you into the area where HubSpot manages calls to action, including pop-up formats. When the CTAs page opens, move to the upper right corner and click Create. This starts a new CTA and opens the template selection flow. If your account takes a moment to load the next screen, wait for the template options to appear before continuing. On the Pop-ups tab, browse through the available templates. HubSpot will show several layout styles, so take a moment to choose the one that matches the kind of form you want to display on your site. When you find a template you want to use, select it and click Choose Template to open the editor. Inside the editor, begin customizing the pop-up itself. You can add new content or adjust the existing content already placed in the template. Update the text, replace or insert images where needed, and edit the button text and any other modules included in the layout. At this stage, you are shaping both the look and the message of the pop-up before connecting the form visitors will submit. Next, add a form to the pop-up if the selected template does not already include one. In the editor, drag the form module into the pop-up area, then choose the HubSpot form you want visitors to complete. Make sure you select the correct form for the action you want people to take, since that form controls what information is collected. After the content and form are in place, open the Targeting tab and the Options tab to configure how the pop-up will be displayed. In these sections, set where the pop-up should appear on your website, when it should appear during the visit, and which visitors should see it. This is the part that controls the display behavior, so review each setting carefully before moving on. Once those settings are configured, click Preview. HubSpot will show you how the pop-up is expected to appear on your website. Use this preview to check the wording, layout, images, button placement, and form selection. If something does not look right, return to the editor and make the final adjustments now. When everything looks correct, click Review and Publish. HubSpot will present the final settings for one last review. Go through them carefully, confirm that the template, form, and display options are set the way you want, and then publish the pop-up to make it live on your site. Your HubSpot pop-up form is now published and live on your website.